Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to care for your sweet peas. Sweet peas have all the charm, intoxicating fragrance, and beauty. The secret to unlocking more of that is to cut them. The more you cut, the more they will bloom. They are also heavy feeders. By using a quality organic fertilizer every week, you will help them keep them healthy and blooming. While growing your sweet peas, be on the lookout for aphids. Aphids are attracted to them and can be combated by using a strong spray of your garden hose or a safe insecticidal soap. If you want to learn more about the garden trellis, check out my trellis video. So if you're hesitant to cut those precious blooms, hesitate no more. Embrace your snips, fill your vases, and watch and wonder as your sweet pea vines respond with even a more spectacular display. Like and subscribe so we can both grow together. And until next time, happy gardening.